Hi guys, in this video I will teach you about the GST calculation of 5%, 25% and 26%. You can calculate any number of the GST of the following formula or small commands. So here we can see that the total amount or total AMT is given. So by helping of this total amount, so we can calculate the GST 25% and 26%. So the first one is 5%, so write equal and select this cell and multiply, and here we can see that there are 5%, so I will type 1.05 and enter. Here we can see that they are calculated. The second one is 22%, so equal, select this cell and then multiply and 1.22 and enter. The third one is 26, so type equal, select this cell and multiply and then 1.26 and enter. Here we can see that they are calculated. So apply these formula for all numbers. So right click here, and here we can see that they are plus sign, so double click here, they are applied all cells. Here we can see that also the second one and the third one, also double click here, they are applying. Here we can see that, so they are calculated the GST value. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.